So let's learn how to do a sexy push-up in exotic floor work. For this purpose, we are gonna have to get on the ground. And when you are on the ground, there are certain things you gotta do. First of all, keep your legs away from each other. Try to point your toes. Keep your hands in the same line with your chest and look on the side. So you have to face on the side. And then after this, you could kick the ground with your toe. Because it just looks good this way. And then from here you could raise your butt. You should raise your butt, but by also arching with your back. So arch your back at the same time as you lift up your butt, and then move your belly and chest away from the ground, and there you go. Let's do it one more time. Slide back onto the ground. Your legs are away from each other, and then from here your hands are on the side, you facing on the side, and then from here you raise your butt and then move your belly and chest off the ground, and then you can shake your head at the end. That's it. This was my sexy push-up tutorial for today. My name is Esther Julia. This is the channel of Boudoir Gym, where you can boost your fitness and femininity with showgirl workouts. If you like this video, or if you're interested in exotic floor, burlesque style, and you wanna do workouts in this genre, then make subscribe to this channel. I still have that milestone to reach the 100 subscribers by the end of May. So thank you for watching and for the support. Bye.